So, you hate the PRT. If you're like me, you probably think that the PRT is crowded, stressful, and breaks down too much. So, what are your other options? Of course, you can walk, bike, or drive, but hills, distance, and parking make those alternatives even more of a hassle. The solution? The Mountain Line Transit Authority. Today, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know in order to use the Morgantown bus system. This will include teaching you how, when, and where to find your bus. I will begin by explaining the five main bus lines on campus. First, Line 38, the blue and gold route, is the main line on campus. It loops every 20 minutes with main stops at Towers, Life Sciences, and Evansdale Crossing. It is most useful for getting to and from class. The next route I will be showing is Line 39. This route is almost identical to Line 38, but goes in the opposite direction and takes University Avenue rather than Grant. It is also useful for class days or if you're trying to go in the opposite direction of Line 38. Third, Route 9, or the Purple Line, also goes from downtown to Towers, but stops at Ruby and Suncrest Town Center on the way. It also goes further downtown than the 38 and 39 by going down High Street and into Westover. This bus is most useful for getting around campus on Sundays or for getting to Suncrest or Westover. Fourth is Campus PM. Campus PM consists of two almost identical routes, with Route 1 going from Towers to High Street while passing the Lair. Route 2 is identical in that stretch, but also goes to Westover and the Morgantown Mall. These lines are most useful for getting from Towers to the Lair or vice versa at night on weekends. Last is Line 7, the Red Line. This line goes from Towers to Westover via University Avenue. The Red Line only arrives every hour, but takes you from Towers to the Lair in approximately 6 minutes, making it a great route for getting to class in the morning. So, now that you know what bus to take, you may be wondering when. I will now show you resources to track your bus. First is the MLTA app. Download this app on your phone. Once you have done this, select your desired route. You can then see where your bus is by looking at the blue circles. Bus tracking does not work 100% of the time, especially on the less popular routes, so you should use other tracking resources as well. The MLTA website shows all routes with descriptions. Once you select your desired route, you will have access to the full bus schedule as well as an image and description of the route. Also, keep in mind the bus will be most on track with its planned schedule earlier in the day. The final thing you should know to effectively use the Morgantown bus system is what to do once your bus arrives. All buses are free with your student ID, so simply swipe your card when you board the bus. When you're approaching your stop, pull the yellow cord to signal to the driver that you would like to get off. You can also catch the bus at other safe places along the route. Simply hold up your student ID as the bus approaches to signal to the driver to stop. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and informative. I know that all this information may sound overwhelming, but with practice, the Morgantown bus system is very simple and stress-free to navigate. For more information on the Morgantown bus system, visit the MLTA website and app linked on the next slide. And remember, always thank your bus drivers.